What up guys, Jason Geiman here with another mod to my Z71 Trail Boss Chevy 2021. And on this video, I'm gonna put in a modification of a trailer hitch. And yes, I know anybody can do it, but I just want to talk about it a little bit. I know that there's some people that do struggle with some of these things of which trailer hitch to get, which of all that. So I have actually went with this Reese one right here. It's the tri-ball, so it's got the 1 7/8, the 2 inch, and the 2 inch and 5/16. There's different size trailer hitches. So like a boat like this one over here takes a 2 inch, 2 inch, and then obviously the bigger ones take a 2 inch and 5/16. The reason why I went with this one is where this trailer hitch does sit up so high. It sits up a little bit high as my knee right here. And so my goal is when I want my trailers to ride a little bit, you don't want them trailers to ride too far like this because it can throw all the weight back there, it can make too much tongue weight, it can do a little bit of things that we don't want it to do. So we really want that trailer to ride straight and level. And so I did this drop one so that way I can pull it up and down. I have a couple different trailers that I pull with it, and I want to make sure that I can keep them level and stuff like that. And so in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of this hitch here, and we're going to get started. So this is something that I'm not used to on the old Chevrolet, the new ones here. You hit the little button right here, and the old tailgate will come down by itself. The thing is holding it up there a little bit, and so it just drops down by itself. All right, so I did get the lock kit because this thing is about $279, $300. So I want to make sure it stays on my truck and not go on somebody else's truck. So I would probably recommend you to get a lock on it also, because unless you want to donate it to somebody else, that's not something I'd recommend. Again, I'm gonna cut this box open if I can. First thing we got is the cross member. Next thing we got is the actual hitch here. And then last but not least, we have the balls here. So this is actually a pretty cool deal. So we can actually spin this around. So that way, if we want to stand on it, it makes a nice step. So we can actually step on it if we're not in use, or we can just take the pin out and we can pin it in there and we can keep it right on. All right, so the way this thing does is this just slides right in, and this slides right on top of here like so, like bam. You can see, and we can adjust this up or down or wherever we want it to be at. So I'm gonna actually use my lock kit here. I'm gonna use this one for now, just so that way I can show you and get this video done. But you can see, we can put this on here, slide this wherever we want to be at, put it in so, put this back on here like so. And then the next thing we can do is wherever this is going to be at. So if we want to use the 2 inch, we can use the 2 inch ball, or if we just want to use it as a step, we can use it as a step too. So I'm going to put it in as a 2 inch ball because that's where I'm going to be towing it as. Slide that in, and we're ready to rock and roll. And that's it. Now, let's get it on the truck. Unlock this here. Put that in my pocket. That on there for right now. So we're just gonna take this and slide this right up in here like so. Get it in our pin here. Slide it in to our hole, wherever our hole is. In the hole. Slide that in like so. And we'll take our lock. Slide our lock on there. That way, hopefully nobody's be a jackleg and stealing on us. Not promising anything. See if it'll just slide on there and lock. So it looks like I'm gonna have to use the key. There we go, locked in there. Put this on there to keep the crap out of it. I'm actually gonna spin that way. I don't know if I like that or not. It's gonna be a little bit tight on my chains, but I should be able to get my chains on there. Obviously, I'm gonna put my keys in my glove box, and that way they can't steal that. And then I gotta find one right here and put in this one so that they can't steal this one. So this way they can't steal that. This way I can put one right here, and then that way I'll just put me a lock through there so that can't be stolen. If they steal this pin, isn't gonna do nothing. They're not gonna be able to get anything. But if we steal this pin, they can get this off, and that's like 79 or 100 bucks. So we wanna make sure we can do this. This way we can lower this up and down. The nice thing about this here, if somebody hits us, they're gonna regret hitting us. That's another beautiful thing about that. It won't mess up our bumper and that kind of thing. I probably won't keep it on there. I'll probably put it up in my truck because I don't tow that much. But when I do tow, I wanna be able to make sure that I can lower and raise that trailer up to where I need to be at. And so that's the nice thing about that adjustable hitch. Are they a little expensive? Yeah, they're a little expensive, but it makes it nice so that way I can lower this thing and up and down 4 inches. So 4 inches don't seem like a lot, but it can be quite a bit, especially where we're at and that kind of thing. I know this was kind of a simple one of a tow hitch and that, but it is important to make sure that we do have a good tow hitch that we can haul whatever we're hauling, so that way we don't tear up something. I don't want to tear up anything that I don't have to, right? So, but again, hope this helps you out. Again, if you want to keep following my channel, go down, subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more modifications to this thing. I did the tonneau cover, so if you would like to watch the tonneau cover video, go check it out right here, and I show you how I put it on. It was less than 20 minutes. This here is less than 10 minutes. So just some mods that you can do really quickly and get things done. Hope to see you in my next video.